Good morning. It's a beautiful Saturday. I don't need to go to work today.
That feels so nice. Let me make a cup of tea first.
There we go. Hot tea, simple breakfast. I feel relaxed already. Weekends are my favorite days. Okay, time to take care of the house. First, I'll wash the dishes. Then I'll sweep the floor. I like keeping my home clean and tidy. Oh, and the plants. Let me water them. There you go, little plants. You need water too.
I love the light near this window. My home feels so peaceful right now.
Time to go shopping at the supermarket.
I need bread, fruit, and vegetables today. Maybe some milk and rice, too. Oh, and perhaps a little snack. Bread Bimmerton? Yes. Fruit pan? Yes. Vegetables pan? Yes. Let me pay at the counter and head home. Woo. I love Mustatar Verswell. I love meeting my friends on Saturday. We drink coffee and talk about our week. Sometimes we go to the park after this. We walk slowly and enjoy the fresh air. These moments make me so happy.
Tonight I'll make pasta with vegetables.
Would do. Cooking on weekends feels fun and creative. Maybe I'll try a new recipe this time. Let's see how it turns out. Dinner was delicious. Now I'll watch a movie.
I love the quiet evenings at home. This is my favorite part of Saturday.
Good morning, Sunday. You are so calm. I have my tea and my book. Perfect. I'll read slowly and enjoy every page.
Sometimes I listen to music instead. Music makes me feel calm and happy.
I hope you're careful. I always visit my parents on Sunday. We eat lunch together. It's wonderful. We talk, we laugh, we share stories. Family time makes me feel warm and loved. I'm so grateful for these moments. Okay, time to get ready for Monday. I'll wash my clothes and fold them neatly. Then I'll check my bag for work.
Let me write a short list of things to do.
Now my pajamas. So comfortable. I'll read a few pages before sleep. It's 10 o'clock. Time to turn off the light. What a wonderful weekend. I feel rested, happy, and ready. Good night. That is my weekend routine.
Jorks Poris Estemte. I hope you enjoyed listening today. What about you?
What do you do on the weekend? Tell me in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like,
share, and subscribe.